Hey everybody, welcome back. Hey, because we did this once before and it worked so well, I got the 4-camera solar style. So there is no wires to run. This works great. Let me show you a little bit about it. Now this one is a simple setup and I'm going to show you how simple it is. The other one I had from Anran is a 1-camera with floodlights and so forth that has worked fantastic. It really has. But I wanted to do that one first before I got the one that covers the whole property. But this one is a simple setup. It has a phone remote. You can go anywhere in the world and be able to view all your property with this. It's great. And you can also talk to people on it. But I'll show you all that here in just a second. Now it is an IP66 rated weatherproofing. So you can leave it out in the sun, the wind, dust, the rain, it's not going to leak. It's going to work fine. It has a day-night monitoring, which is great because it automatically goes through its process to get the very best picture day or night. Now with this, you can set up an email alarm. Okay, so if somebody is on the property, it will detect them. It detects, whether it's an animal or a human being or a car and so forth. Somebody on your property that is not supposed to be there, there's many different things you can do. You can hit a siren. That's always a deterrent. You can talk to them. You can say, hey, get the hell off my lawn. You can do all that stuff. It really is a great system. The neat thing is on this here is a home base unit. If anybody wants to steal these cameras and so forth, you're not going to lose any data. It's all stored on this inside the house with a double encryption. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look real quick inside. I think you're going to like this. It's packaged well. Gives you your manual, your 24-hour surveillance tag. Make sure people know. I mean, those tags right there, even if you can't get one of these or only one of them, get that tag, put it up. Let people know that you have it and you're protecting your property. Crack this open real quick. Now this is the peripherals it's going to give you, which is cool. All right, but it's a Cat 5 cable. You have 2 USB A to C cables. You have, come on. Put that right there. This is a power brick for your USB A. Comes with 4 packets of screws and drywall plugs. So that's always nice. Let's see, it does have, these are handy. Okay, this is a drilling template for the mounting. I love these things. So there's no guessing, there's no having to worry about that. See, this isn't as big as it looks, but this is your home unit. This is what you're gonna have inside. You plug this in back here and then into your router. That way it controls all of it. But like I said, you have your encryption coming in here, plus another encryption going to your router. So if somebody gets into your router, the chances are of them getting into this isn't gonna happen. But that just tells you exactly what we're looking at here. And this is kind of nice. I wish they'd maybe done this in like a black or something, but that's okay. Here's that bracket I was talking about. I'll show you that here in just a second, a little close up here. And then this is your camera. This is your solar panel. Now the other one with each battery, I've never had it, even when we went through a bunch of rain and not a lot of sun, it still stayed charged. So extremely happy. What I like about this company is they do go above and beyond from the packaging and so forth. Make sure you're happy and that everything works fine when you get it. So, but anyways, this is the way the bracket works. You're gonna mount that on the wall and then you snap this into place. The turret, you get 355 degrees. This one here goes 90 degrees. So you're gonna catch all your property. Now these are LED lights on each side that really blur out some light on the subject. You have your sensor and your camera. So remember, when you do this, after you get it up, pull your camera, pull that plastic off the camera, because you know that can give you a really bad look. But you have plastic on both. So I'll show you that here in just a sec. Okay, so as you can see, this is a great kit. Just the quality of it, I mean, wonderful. You're gonna like this, I'm telling you. This works as good as my other one did from them. Having 4 of them is gonna be fantastic to work with. What I do like is everything is Wi-Fi. It's all one piece, it's a solid piece. You're gonna really like that. Let's go ahead and get them installed and show you how easy that is. We are talking not much time out of your day doing this. So let's get going. Okay, here, use your phone to set it up to find out what's the best angle and so forth for you. It really works great this way. That way you know exactly what you're gonna get, where you mount it. Okay, let's go ahead and get it set up for mounting. Here I'm gonna set it to make sure I'm gonna get enough sunlight. I'm gonna get underneath the rafters there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this great template that they give. They're stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that and sticker it up. This is just the little things that really help people to get it right, to get it, you know. So what I do is I actually put the screw on the end of the drill bit and give it a smack on the back just to set it. Then I'll go ahead and remove them, get the bracket up, and yes, it's this fast. And you're going to go ahead and use this and slide it on to get that locked into place. There, it just snaps on. There's the floodlights. They do work well. That's really nice. And what you want to do next is pull that stuff off. Now, as you can see, it full range of movement. It goes up and down, goes, you know, round and so forth. 355 degrees and 90 degrees. Plus, it also has audio. Hey, get out of here. Also a siren. All right, enough of that. Okay, here, as you can see, it has the 4 cameras up. Works great. Beautiful picture. And this is SD. I haven't switched it to HD yet. But here you can check the sensitivity from low to high, and low being a person. And it's very sensitive. But here's some, like here, it caught us walking through the gate with our dog. Like I said, it wasn't hard to put up. It works great. This is something that I think, you know, every home should have anymore. Unfortunately. But for the price and the security that you're going to get from it, so I will have links in description. I'm hoping to get you a discount. So if you use that link, it supports the channel, and we like that. Hey guys, I appreciate you being here. Please subscribe and maybe hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Also, if you can just kind of scoot over and hit that thumbs up button, sure helps the channel. Okay guys, I appreciate it. Remember, life's good. Keep smiling.